So this video is part 2 of 10 precautions you should take if you are planning to hit the gym. We discussed first 5 things in our first video. Please do go back and watch that, and we are going to discuss another 5 tips which will help you stay healthy and fit during coronavirus times and will help you hit the gym in the right way. What is the 6th thing which you should do? So this is very important, especially for females. They at times go to the gym or not yoga for that matter, they go to the gyms to do aerobic exercises, high intensity exercises, many forms of which are like Zumba exercises or dance fitness exercises. So avoid those. Why do I say that avoid those? Because these are group classes which happen in small rooms, and there are many people inside, and knowingly or unknowingly you may transmit or you may take infection from those people if any one of those is infected. So avoid those classes. And came across a study which was by Korean researchers, and they found that 112 people in Korea got infected from one place of these dance fitness classes. So try and avoid those, because when you are doing these high intensity workouts, you are breathing heavily. So when you are breathing heavily, even the 6 feet distance is less, and your droplets from your breath can get transmitted to more than 6 feet distance. Another researcher talked about keeping a distance of at least 12 feet between 2 people when you are going for such exercises. And this doesn't mean distance only in one dimension. Make sure there is a 12 feet diameter around you in which there is no one else. So that seems difficult because gyms mostly do not have so much of space, especially in metropolitans. So better to avoid these high intensity workouts. What is next? You should avoid our yoga breathing exercises. When you breathe, you take deep breaths, there are chances of taking in or giving out infection, especially when you are in a closed room. So if you are planning to do breathing exercises, please do it outdoors. Many of the gym owners, I'm sure, are going to innovate, and they are going to have studios in which they are going to provide outdoor exercise option, as that is the safest, especially when you are planning to do aerobic exercises or breathing exercises of yoga, in which there are high chances of transmitting the infection to a longer distance. The droplets from your breath can travel a longer distance because they are coming out with high intensity. So what is the 7th thing which you should take care of is that you should have dedicated shoes for the gym. And these shoes should be dedicated, as in you should wear it on the gym surfaces or the gym floors and do not wear it at home, so that in case there is some infection which is there on the floor, or if there is any infection on your shoes from outside, you do not give it to those people who are exercising in the gym, especially doing floor exercises. What is the 8th precaution you should take? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has clear-cut said people above 65 years, women who are pregnant, children who are less than 10 years of age, or those people who have comorbidities. By comorbidities, we mean those kind of illnesses which makes you more prone to get any kind of infection, and coronavirus infection can affect those people who have comorbidities. It could be diabetes mellitus, it could be chronic kidney disease, it could be liver ailment. Any chronic disease can put you at higher risk to get coronavirus infection. So in those circumstances, better to stay home, better to exercise at home. I'm sure many of the gym owners are going to provide online classes, and you can take that option. You can exercise at home and be healthy and be safe. What is the 9th thing which I want you to take care of is that be responsible. You have to be responsible for your own health, for your family's health. So if the gym owners have decided on some guidelines for you to follow in the gyms, please stick to those, and be gentle to the gym owners or the staff there, because this is new for them. They are trying to make adjustments for you, and if you don't agree to those adjustments or those changes which they might have put into practice, then it will all get waste. So please follow those guidelines, follow those things, be responsible, do not spit, clean every surface after you have used it, clean it before you are going to use it, wash your hands regularly whenever you get a chance. In between, keep sanitizing your hands. So it's up to you to take the responsibility for your own health. So a 10th tip I want to give you, if you are going to hit the gym, is that be gentle with yourself. Your body is not used to these exercises because probably many of us were not able to keep in touch with those kind of exercises which we generally do in gyms because of the limitations of home workouts. There are no machines at home, there are limited weights which we have. So be gentle with yourself. Don't demand too much from your body too early. Go slow, build up your stamina, and then you can go definitely to heavier exercises or exercises with multiple repetitions. But to start with, build it up slow. Give yourself some time to settle in, give your body some time to settle in. So be gentle to yourself, be gentle to others, and take care that you do not transmit the infection to others, as well as do not take the infection home with yourself. Keep yourself and your family safe. Keep working towards Corona-free India, Corona-free society. Jai Hind. Thank you. If you haven't seen our part 1, please do go back and see where we have discussed 5 points to stay healthy when you are hitting the gym during coronavirus times. And if you have seen that, then these are the other 5 things, 5 precautions which you should take when you are planning to hit the gym. And we have also done a video for gym owners, the precautions they should take and the rules they should follow to keep their gyms safe or yoga places safe. So that would be the next in the series. Keep watching Dr. Minutes. Do let us know how we are doing. Do let us know what you want to see next in this series of videos, where we want to bring to you the best in simple and easy to understand language. Please do like, subscribe and share our videos, and do like us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram as well. We are there on LinkedIn also. So looking forward to making more such videos and looking forward to hear from you that how we are doing and what more you want to see from us. Thank you very much.